Today we're going to walk you through the different options we offer. First up, we have our vinyl decals. These are perfect if you want a clean, sharp, finished look. The decal comes pre-cut and is applied using transfer tape. Simply position it on your flag, press it down firmly, and peel away the transfer tape to leave behind a crisp, professional design. This option is great for anyone who wants precision without the need for painting. Next, we offer our Star Stencil option for the 50 stars. You'll apply the stencil directly onto your project, make sure it's sealed down tight, and then use spray paint to fill in the stars. Once the paint dries, you peel it away to reveal a bold, authentic look that really pops against the wood grain. Both options are easy to use and designed to help you create a beautiful American flag. Let's take a look at both in an example, and we'll show you how to apply each of these. Starting with the vinyl decal. First, make sure your wood surface is clean, dry, and free of dust. If you've stained or painted your flag, allow it to fully cure before applying the decal. Next, take your decal with the transfer tape already attached and slowly peel it away from the backing paper. The design should stay stuck to the transfer tape. Carefully position the decal over your project. Take your time here. Once it sticks, it's hard to reposition. Once you're lined up, press the decal down starting from the center and work your way outward. This helps prevent air bubbles. Use a squeegee, credit card, or flat edge to firmly press the decal onto the wood surface. Then slowly peel back the transfer tape at an angle. If any part of the decal lifts, just press it back down and continue. And that's it. You're left with a clean, sharp design. Now let's move on to the Star Stencil. Just like before, start with a clean, dry surface. Make sure it's aligned properly, then press it down firmly, especially around the edges of each star. This step is important to prevent paint from bleeding underneath. Next, apply your spray paint in light, even passes. Don't oversaturate. Multiple light coats will give you the best results without bleeding. Let the paint dry for a minute or two, then carefully peel away the stencil while the paint is still slightly tacky. This helps create crisp edges. And there you have it, bold, clean stars with that classic hand-painted look. And if you're ready to get started, you can find the link to all of our decals and stencils right in the description below.